What if you could launch a plane from your backyard? Feel your heart race as it climbs into the sky and control every turn like a real pilot. Today, we're diving into some of the coolest ready-to-fly RC airplanes that make that dream possible, whether you're a total beginner or ready to level up. You're watching Pure RC Tech, where we turn awesome tech into pure excitement. If you love gadgets that actually move, fly, and blow your mind, hit subscribe right now, and let's take off. First up is the HobbyZone RC Airplane Carbon Cub S2 1.3-meter RTF Basic, HBZ 320001. If you've ever wanted something that feels close to a real trainer aircraft, this is it. With its large 1.3-meter wingspan, it looks and flies like a serious machine. The size gives it stability in the air, which means smoother turns and more predictable control. It's perfect for beginners who don't want a tiny toy, but a proper RC plane that can grow with them. The design is inspired by full-scale bush planes, so it handles wind better than smaller models. Even though the battery and charger are not included, that actually gives you flexibility to choose the setup you prefer. Once in the air, the Carbon Cub S2 feels steady, forgiving, and confidence-boosting. It's the kind of plane that makes your first successful landing unforgettable. Now imagine you're brand new to RC flying and want something built specifically to teach you. That's where the HobbyZone RC Airplane AeroScout S 1.1-meter RTF Basic HBZ 38001 comes in. This one is famous for its safe technology, which is basically a built-in flight assistant. It helps prevent overcorrecting, keeps the plane stable, and even allows for easier recovery if you get disoriented. The rear-mounted motor design also protects the propeller during rough landings, which is a big deal for beginners. The 1.1-meter wingspan makes it large enough to see clearly in the sky, but still easy to transport. It's a true trainer, meaning it's designed to teach you step by step. As your skills improve, you can switch to more advanced modes and unlock greater control. It doesn't just fly, it trains you to become better. If you're shopping for a kid or someone who just wants simple fun, the Hawkswork 2CH RC airplane in red is a great starting point. This is a 2-channel glider, which means basic controls for up and down and left and right. That simplicity is its strength. There's less to think about, so beginners can focus on learning orientation and throttle control. The 2.4 GHz remote ensures stable connection and allows multiple planes to fly without interference. It's lightweight, easy to assemble, and forgiving in minor crashes. For young pilots, this is the kind of plane that builds excitement instead of frustration. It's quick to get in the air and doesn't overwhelm with too many features. Speaking of beginner-friendly, the SIMREX RC plane for kids adds more control while keeping things manageable. This 3-channel plane includes a 6-axis gyro stabilization system. That gyro is like a hidden co-pilot constantly correcting small mistakes. It also offers 2 speed modes, which is brilliant for learning. Start slow, build confidence, then switch to high speed for more thrill. The P-51 design gives it a classic warbird look, making it feel cooler than a basic trainer. And with 2 batteries included, flight time practically doubles. Foam construction keeps it lightweight and more impact resistant. It's a balanced mix of style, stability, and fun. If you love the iconic Mustang look, the Hawkswork 3-channel RC plane P-51D Mustang takes that classic design and adds serious beginner support. With a 6-axis gyro stabilizer and 3-channel control, you get better maneuverability compared to 2-channel models. That means you can perform smoother turns and more controlled climbs. It's still easy to fly, but offers more freedom once you're comfortable. The ready-to-fly setup makes it convenient, and the 2.4 GHz control system ensures responsive handling. It's a perfect bridge between entry-level and more advanced flying. Another solid option in the same category is the F949 RC plane 3CH 2.4 GHz remote control airplane with EPP foam construction. EPP foam is known for durability, which makes this plane ideal for learners who might have a few rough landings. It features 3D 6G modes, giving you flexibility between stabilized flight and more advanced control. That means you can start in a safe, stabilized mode and later experiment with sharper maneuvers. It even includes 2 batteries and extra propellers, which adds value and convenience. Landing gear is included, so takeoffs and landings feel more realistic. It's a complete beginner package with room to grow.
If military-style planes excite you, the Hawkswork 3-channel RC plane F-4U Corsair delivers that bold warbird personality. With its unique wing shape and strong visual presence, it stands out instantly. But beyond looks, it also includes a 6-axis gyro stabilizer to keep things manageable. For beginners who want something visually impressive without sacrificing stability, this is a great pick. The 3-channel control gives more maneuver options while still being easy enough to handle. It's the kind of plane that turns heads at the park. For jet fans, the HAW Works 2 CHR RC airplane F-22 offers a fighter jet vibe in a beginner-friendly format. The 2-channel system keeps control simple, while the lightweight foam design makes it easier to glide smoothly. It's designed to be accessible, so you don't need prior experience to enjoy it. The sleek F-22 styling makes it feel fast even before takeoff. It's a great introduction to jet-style RC planes without jumping into complicated controls. If you want something small, fun, and perfect for tighter spaces, the Mini RC plane with shark design is surprisingly capable. This 2-channel foam plane features LED lights, which means you can even fly it in lower light conditions and still see it clearly. The 6-axis gyro stabilization keeps it steady indoors or outdoors in calm weather. Its compact size makes it easy to carry around, and the shark design adds playful personality. This is the kind of RC plane that's great for quick flights when you don't have a big open field.
Finally, for another jet-inspired option, the F-22 RC airplane easy-to-fly version in blue combines style with extra features. It includes gyro stabilization and LED lights, plus 2 batteries for extended flying time. The foam glider design keeps it lightweight and manageable. It's aimed at beginners, but still exciting enough for adults who want a casual flying experience. With simple controls and stable performance, it's a stress-free way to enjoy RC aviation. Which RC plane would you fly first? Comment below, like, and subscribe to PureRtech for more epic tech in action.